Hey guys, it's MartyBlendz and we're back with another tutorial. Follow along as we create a blowout taper. Take your time parting the hair because it will make a difference within shape and future haircuts. With the number 4, you want to start debulking, making sure you don't cut too far in. As for the first baseline, I like to contour the shape of the head. Remove all excess hair underneath. With the BARBER shaver, you want to remove all the stubble left behind. Now with the lever open, you want to create a half-inch guideline. I create small guidelines because personally I think darker fades look better. Now you want to fully close the lever all the way. Keep opening until you're fully at a lever open. With the 1.5, you want to go up about a full inch. Right above, follow with the number 2. Coming down to the line we left, go ahead and slap on the half guard halfway open, making a half-inch guideline. Right above, you want to use a 1 open. Do touch-up work if needed. Now the final step towards a blurry fade is closing up that half guard all the way and then hitting that last line you see at the very bottom. Guys, you want to come back and make sure that fade is flawless. I did see some extra bulk, so I ran my thinning shears at the very top. As we move on to the rear, we basically do all the same steps. Take your time because details really matter. Applying hairspray is really helpful when having lengthy tapers. Go ahead and mark up that line neatly behind the ears and neckline. When working on the edge up, you want to mark up with your trimmers and then follow along with your razor. Guys, I will be giving a full shear work tutorial in the future, so stay tuned for that. YouTube, here's the final product. If you guys do learn anything from the cinematic tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for plenty more, and that's it for us. Peace.